Hello everyone. Today is Friday, the 6th of November 2020. So today I'll be showing you something which is quite common, that a lot of times the photographs or videos that we take are actually in the either portrait mode or they're in landscape mode, and we just send them wherever we want to share in the same mode where we if it's portrait, we send it as portrait. When it's in landscape mode, we send it in landscape mode. But sometimes they are wrong way around. That means a photograph which is actually should be straight like this is actually this. So when the person wants to have a look, they will have to turn their head so that they can have a proper look at the photograph. Or sometimes a video is like that. So I'll just show it to you and show you how to correct these little mistakes. Okay, to go, I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is on iOS 14.1. So I'll be showing you how to straighten the photographs from one mode to the other, from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait, whatever is needed. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to open my photos, and I've gone into one of my albums where you will see the first photograph is mine. So this is now in the wrong direction. It should be straight with my head up. To correct it, the simple thing is that on the top right corner of the screen you will see the word edit. I will tap on edit, and then there are three icons in the bottom row. First on the left is written cancel, then there is another icon, then there's a middle icon, then there's another icon which is actually called the crop icon. So we tap on the crop icon. When that happens, at the top you will see four icons. The second from the left is the one which is to rotate the photograph. So I will tap it once, twice, and thrice. And there you go, your photograph is now straight, and now you can share it without giving a pain in the neck to the person who is going to see it on their phone. So once this is done, you can just press the done button. The second is, this is a video. You will see that this is the wrong way around. So if I rotate my phone, it goes a different way. So we have to rotate this to the correct orientation as well. So again, in this case, I will tap on the edit on the top right corner. Once this happens, I will tap on the crop tool at the bottom, and then at the top, the second icon from the left is the rotate one. So I'll do 1, 2, and 3. Now it's in the correct orientation, and if we press done and then we play it, now this is in the right orientation and the right way around. So this is as simple as that. I hope this helps, and please, from now onwards, do not send photographs or videos in the wrong orientation to other people. It is so simple to correct, and I hope it helps. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe so that I'm encouraged and motivated to bring to you more videos like this. See you, take care, stay fit, stay safe. Bye bye. See you on Monday. Bye.